Hello everyone, welcome to Rpa Sessions. Starting with the sessions, I would like to let you know the main aim of this session. In these sessions, we are going to learn about actual RPA and its different tools. This session will introduce you to three different tools which we will be using to design a single use case. The three tools are Power Automate Desktop, uipath and Automation Anywhere. So beginning with the session 1 consists of two parts. Part A includes description about RPA and Power Automate desktops and its installation. Part B, which we will cover in next session, includes description about uipath and Automation Anywhere and the installation. So starting with the topic, what is RPA? RPA means Robotic Process Automation, is an emerging form of business process automation technology. It is a software technology that makes it easy to build, deploy and manage software robots that can replicate humans' actions interacting with digital systems and software. Moving towards the next slide, what can RPA do? RPA is a software-based technology, so it can be used to perform various tasks like maintenance of records, queries, calculation and transactions. There are a wide range of applications of RPA. Software supported by RPA are like Citrix, .NET, HTML, Java, Python and many more. Systems compatible with RPA are mainframe, terminal, SAP, Oracle, Windows and etc. What kind of work can be automated? By using RPA, any process that are highly repetitive, rule-based and uses structured data can be automated. In which sector is RPA used? Robotic process automation is mainly used in banking, insurance, retail, manufacturing, healthcare and telecommunication industries. Some of the examples of RPA in healthcare sectors are like booking appointments, patients data entry, claims to processes, billing, etc. In retail industry, it helps in updating orders, sending notifications, shipping products, tracking shipments, etc. In telecommunication industry, it will help in monitoring fraud, data management and updating the customer data. In banking industry, use of RPA for efficiency in work, for accuracy in data and for the security of data. In manufacturing industry, RPA tools help in supply chain procedures. It helps with the billing of materials, administration, customer services and support, reporting, data migration, etc. Benefits of RPA. Some of the benefits of RPA is that it gives better accuracy and better customer services. It can be used to maximize the speed and reduce the working time of the process, reduces overhead and more flexible business resources. Manual or repetitive tasks are carried out by RPA software with reduced cost. Employee experience, increase staff productivity and reduce attrition. Business process can be set to operate in contrast with regulations and standards of the organizations. So moving towards the next topic of part A. What is Power Automate Desktop? Power Automate Desktop was launched by Microsoft in year 2020 in month of September. Power Automate Desktop uses drag and drop actions to build the desktop flows, and some actions are also provided for web recording and desktop recording. Moving towards the next slide, examples of simple and complex tasks you can do. Some of the simplest tasks you can do by using RPA is like extraction of data from invoices, email automations and number of automation stuff which you can do by using RPA. Next slides, which includes comparison between the Power Automate and Power Automate Desktop. Power Automate is a cloud-based application, whereas Power Automate Desktop is a desktop application that we need to install in our machine. A variety of connectors are available in Power Automate, but we don't have such connectors in Power Automate desktops. We don't have a drag and drop feature for actions in Power Automate, but we can use drag and drop actions in the Power Automate desktop flows, which makes it feasible for use. We cannot record our sessions in Power Automate as there is no such built-in feature. We can record sessions from the web and desktop using the built-in feature in Power Automate desktop. And there are some of the main points that you can refer in these slides. So moving towards the next slides, which includes the installation of Power Automate Desktop. To install the Power Automate Desktop, go to the Microsoft Power Automate Desktop site and click on Download Free. After clicking on Download Free, you need to open the setup file. After opening the setup file, click on the next button. After clicking on next button, the packages will be installed, and you will have to provide the location to which folder or which path you have to install the Power Automate desktop file. After installing the process, you are good to go. Now you are ready to start the Power Automate desktop. After opening the Power Automate desktop application, they will ask you for sign in option. You have to sign in that with your mail ID. After signing with mail ID, you will have to enter the password, and once you enter password, you can sign in, and you will have your workspace where you can design your own bots, RPA bots, which can be used to automate different tasks. We are now ready to create our flows in the Power Automate desktop. Thank you.